Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Squarespace online store. This is what we will explore in this video. First, we will see how to set up an e-commerce website on Squarespace. Then we will see how to add products to sell. Also, how to connect a payment processor or how to add a payment method. Then we will see how to add a shipping method. Let's start with how to set up an e-commerce website. This is squarespace.com website. And first, we need to log into our account by filling my email address and password. If you don't have a Squarespace account, you can create one for free. Click on login, then hit this create website button. What's your site about? It's a store, convenience store. Click on next. What do you want to do with your website? I don't know at this time, so I will skip this step. You can set up your e-commerce online store on Squarespace using pre-built templates or use a Blueprint AI. I've already recorded video using Blueprint AI, so this time I will go with pre-built templates. Select online store as type to only see online stores templates. Let's go with this minimalistic or simple design. Click on start with this design. You can select your brand colors from here. I want a white background. Click on start with this design and wait a moment. Using pre-built template was faster than going with the Blueprint AI. Close this guide, and this is my pre-built template. And to view your online store live, click on this little arrow on this corner, and now you're in this preview mode. This is how your online store looks online. Click on the same arrow again and go to pages. I forgot what I'm about to explain. I think I will go now to how to add a product to sale. To add a product to sale, first I will start from the beginning. Go to pages, then click on this little plus next to main navigation. Select store to sell products and service online. Select a template from here. Let's go with store 2. Give it a name, for example, store. Just keep it 2. We are just explaining here. As you can see, it already comes with the added products, but I want to show you how to add yours. Click on pages, home, and go to products and services. Click on products, then click on this black add product button. You can add a physical product, a service, a download or digital product, a gift card, or custom merch. We will go with physical. Fill in your product name here, the product description. Let's product description goes here. Click on this plus in order to upload your image from your computer or select it from library. I will go with library. No files found, so I will go or add one from my computer. This is a product, Energizer. I'm selling Energizer. Battery cells. For the price, I will sell them for $100 because they are premium and they are coming from Morocco. Not on sale, yeah, and they are on sale, and this is the sale price. Stock, I have infinite stock of Energizer. Unlimited stock, yes. The SKU is added automatically, so that's good. And fulfillment, I will talk about it later, so I will skip this step. For the organization, you can organize your store by using categories and also tags. Selling online products add-on, I will skip this featured product. No, you can label it as a featured product and show it on your homepage, for example. You can add related products and products reviews. I don't want to add products reviews now. And to optimize your online store, you can click on edit and you can edit your product page URL. It should be your product name, for example, Energizer AAA batteries. This is a keyword, I think. Same thing with the SEO title. Buy cheap $100 Energizer batteries. You can add your SEO description here. I was using Hostinger website builder lately, and I miss the AI tools I was used to. The AI tools makes the job lots easier. Here you don't have an AI tool to help you write your SEO description, for example. Click on apply to add your description and your SEO stuff. After that, click on save or on publish to save and publish at the same time. And this is your product. Now that I added my products online, I need to connect a payment processing to start collecting money from my customers. To do that, scroll down from this left side menu, scroll down to the bottom, or don't scroll. If you see there is a bar hiding my settings, so click on settings from this corner, go to marketing, no, selling, and click on payments. There are three payment methods you can use on your Squarespace website. The first one is Stripe. In order to start collecting credit cards payments. And also you can add PayPal to pay using PayPal, and also Square. Unfortunately, Square is only available to the US. For this video, I will go with PayPal as a payment method. Click on connect. I'm not sure why they try. You can't connect. Upgrade to a paid account. This is a paid account, I think. No worries, I will exit this website and log in to not another account, but the same account, but I think this account comes with just two websites. So I will go into the same page on the other website on the same account. This is the settings button. Click on it, go to selling, then payments. Stripe, PayPal, and Square are available. Let's connect PayPal. Click on the PayPal logo. This new window pops up. Connect your PayPal account by filling your email address and select your country or region from this list. Click on next. Here, fill in your PayPal email address and password. Then click on login. You now have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Squarespace. Click on go back to Squarespace. To update the billing agreements, just click on update and continue. Another PayPal window pops up. Click on agree and pay, and don't worry, you are not paying anything here. And as you can see, customers can now pay you using PayPal and also Venmo. Go to payments, and a new connected green tag is added next to PayPal. The last step is how to add a shipping method to your online store on Squarespace. Click on set selling, Then go to shipping. I already have a shipping method. I will remove it to show you how to add one from scratch. When you arrive at this shipping page, click on, let's explore this shipping page first. Shipping label extension, you can install easy ship. I think it's starting at $0 per month. You can set up pickup options, set up local delivery options, and set up fulfillment profiles. Don't worry, all you need to do is to click on add shipping option. You can go with a flat rate, define a charge for every order and a flat rate or a flat fee for each item, or depending on weight. There are other shipping options, but my business account I think does not comes with them. Let's go with a flat rate. Give your shipping option a name, for example, FedEx next day. Per order fee, I will cost $15, and fee per item, I will keep it at 0. Now click on shipping zones and add your country, for example, United States. You can edit the states you don't have shipping to and click on save. Now our e-commerce website is live. I think it's live. No, it's not live yet. Now I need to make my e-commerce store live. We already seen how to add a product, how to connect a payment processor, and a shipping method. To make your website live, from this setting window or page, go to website, then site availability. As you can see, it's already public. And make sure public is selected and click on the save button here. Now let's see my e-commerce online store live. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is my website or my e-commerce store page. Refresh the page, for example. Oh, when I switch it from between websites, this website does not have a store yet, so I will add it quickly. As you can see, it's added. I will go into the preview mode. This is the products available. Let's try to buy this cup, for example, to see the checkout, the product page, and also the checkout page. This is the product photo. This is the product title, price, description, and add to cart. Click on checkout button. Fill in an email like that. Click on continue. And this is my delivery option or shipping method. I already have one, and this is the flat rate. As you can see, it's added here. Fill in first name, last name, address. Click on continue. This is the payment method we added to our store. When my customers click on this pay with PayPal, this new window pops up and they need to log into their PayPal account to pay me. And this is how to set up an online store on Squarespace. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.